Alright, we're going to work on putting the chain on finally. Let's see. Alright. Okay, cool. That looks like it's going to be nice. These have a master clip. Now, does the OEM? I don't know. And I say that because I haven't looked yet, and I did not put it on this way or take this way. And the manual says, sorry, the manual doesn't say anything about that, so who knows? Guess we'll find out one day. Now, when you put your master link clip on there, the open part or whatever should be opposite the direction of travel. Meaning, when you're sticking it on, you know, and wheels start to go, axle spins, should be that way. Let's see. Cool. I got some master link pliers from Tusk. As many times as I've done chain over the last year and a half and didn't have these, that was a lot easier. So for a $7 tool, I was like, whatever. So there she goes. Put a little grease on the master link. So it is loose, just like stock, but we are going to throw on the chain tensioner. Let me pause it, because I might do that right now. If not, this will be the end of the video.